All right, a quick tzatziki sauce, not like a real strict version, just a kind of a my version. So the first thing I got to do is peel this, and then I'm going to take the seeds out. So let me do that. So normally you wouldn't have to take the seeds out, but I'm under the gun here. So regularly I would like to put this in a strainer like this, and then put it over a bowl. Put salt on top, and that'll draw all the water out. But I can't because, like I said, I'm kind of short on time. So what I'm going to do is I got cheesecloth in a bowl, and then I'm just going to put it in that and squeeze it. So I'm just going to and also I'm going to do it in the food processor, which normally you would do it with like a box grater or something. All right, so this is on chop, not puree. So I'm just going to fold that in the cheesecloth. And then see all the water coming out. And then you wash that and reuse cheesecloth. You don't waste it. All right, I got some garlic here and I got some mint. I just picked that out of the garden out there, out of the flower pot. Normally you would use dill, but mine ain't growing. I don't know why. So some mint and a little bit of garlic. A little bit of lemon juice. I didn't have a fresh lemon. A little bit of olive oil. And believe it or not, if this is too wet, you could take a piece of white bread, cut the crust off, put it in there, and it'll act kind of like a binding agent, and it'll make it smooth. All right, now some yogurt. Normally you should use full-fat yogurt. But all I have in the fridge is this low-fat yogurt. Obviously why I buy low-fat yogurt. What you can do is drizzle a little olive oil on the top. Kind of traditional. And there you go, tzatziki sauce.